Okay, welcome along to another RetroTech 100 arcade challenge. This week it's Pitfighter, the human garbage. Actually, it's not that bad. It's okay. It's just not that great. It's a product of its time. Okay, 2 credits. Let's get going. Who shall I pick? I'll pick this guy. Right, okay. A few facts about this game. Atari came out on most systems, some 16-bit, some 8-bit. I mean, as far as how good the versions are, well, if the original game's not that good, then what chance have they got? Although I heard they were alright, so yeah. I'm doing Finop special moves, which is all 3 buttons, apparently. Which I'm trying to do, but I can't. Fuck. It's going to be one of the worst runs, I'll tell you that. Slow. What's some more facts about this game? There was a sequel made, or nearly made, 75% of the way through. It's supposed to be on the Mega Drive. What else? 7th most popular arcade cabinet in Japan that year, which is quite good considering. Alright, let's get this over with. Come on. And get to the girl. We're doing better than most of my practice runs, to be honest. Bollocks. It's not a game you want to win, really. if you can say that about a game. Get a knife. You know, you might be impressed by the graphics for the time, but these literally aren't animations. These are just, you know, they did the move and then they just play the move. That's why it's so choppy. And there we go, helped out by the audience member. Nice assist there. Yeah, maybe it paved the way for Mortal Kombat and such, but, you know, it's not a great game. Some people like it, hardly anyone, but some people like it. Grudge match, yay! Well, at least I completed that, which I didn't do last time. I'm gonna die in a sec, so yeah. Look for the power pill. Get stabbed, bitch. Nice to have a woman in it, you know. They didn't have to, but they did, so it's nice. Okay, I'm about to die. See if we can get this chair first. Yeah! I think I picked the best guy for this job. Yeah! Bit like Louis Kang. Yeah! Yeah, apparently they did use the same characters for another game, which I can't remember the name of, that replaced the sequel. So yeah, it's about all the facts I can give you. It's available in some midway thing, can't remember what it was, some arcade midway classics or something. If you want to get it on a compilation, it's probably the best way to get it. Anyway, quick and easy, and game over. So like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Come to the group. It's probably too late now for this, but random person picks a new game, so get involved and you might get to pick a new game. We've nearly played about 200 games, so only about 1,000 odd games to go, so should be finished by the next decade. Anyway, see you next week. I have been Car Games Retro. See you later.